Kohli buys a jacket, 2 shirts, and a hat. The jacket costs how much? $X. The shirts cost $24 less than the jacket. The hat costs $16 less than the jacket. Mrs. Kohli spends exactly $100. So first you have to write the equation down. Write the equation down. And next we have to solve. So solution: cost of jacket is equal to $X. Cost of shirt is $24 less than the jacket. Cost of hat $16 less than the jacket. Total amount spent is $100. The equation, so it's going to be 1 jacket and 2 shirts, 2 times of x negative 24, and a hat, all sum up to $100. X positive 2 times x negative 48 positive x negative 16 is equal to 100. X added with 2x is 3x, added with x gives me 4x. Now you have 48 added with 16, 14, 1, 5 and 6. 64 is equal to 100. You move this to the other side. 4x is equal to 100 positive 64. 4x is equal to 164. So x is equal to 164 divided by 4. 4 4s are 16. You have a 4 there, and that will give you 1. So x is equal to $41. So this means cost of the jacket is $41, and the cost of shirts, 2 shirts, right, 2 times of, it's 41 minus 24. So what is that? 41 and 24, 7, 3, from 3 you take away 2, you get 1, 17. So 2 times of 17 is 34. And then cost of hat, that's a 41 negative 16. So what is that? From 41 you take away 16, you get 5. This is 3. From 3 you take away 1, you get 2. So $25. So 25 added with 34 added with 41. So what do you get? This is 5, 10, carry 1, 5 and 5, 10. $100, right? So our solution is correct.